Alright, hello guys and girls. We will just go over the installation guide for Windows 10. I'm running 64-bit, you probably did as well. I ran into some problems while trying to install Flutter and make it work. So we will cover that in case you've got some problems similar to mine. First thing we will do is install this specific version of the Java SE development kit, which is this one. And that's because if you were to go and install the 14 edition, it won't work. At least it didn't for me. So just to make sure it works, just install this one. You will have to create an account, just enter some information, and for me, if this was the correct one, I just downloaded that. Install it just like you do with programs. So we get that. Now we'll go over the Flutter installation. Just click on Get Started on the flutter.dev website, go to Windows, check the requirements, then download this, follow the suggestions, update your path variables, very important too. Then run the Flutter Doctor, and you might run into the problem with the Java. Well, first you will run into the problem that your licenses for the Android SDK are missing, and to get that to work again, you just gotta do a special command, which is, let me just see. Okay, let's just look it up quick. It's just Flutter licenses accepted. You'll find a lot of GitHub repositories, issues talking about this. Yeah, this is the command we're looking for. I will put it in the description down below as well. Just run this and just press yes, yes, yes all the time, and then you're good to go. Yeah, that's it basically. The main problem for me was that I was trying to use the setup and the Android Studio setup together with the latest version of the Java development kit, which just doesn't seem to work at the moment. It's just buggy. And yeah. Alright, for the let's check. Yeah, just really quick get out of this as well. You should perform some checks in the Android Studio as well. Go to Configure, SDK Manager, then head over to SDK Tools, uncheck this. Make sure to have Android SDK Tools selected. Also check Google USB driver if you were to use a real mobile device for debugging, and then you should be good to go. Yeah, and of course head over and install Android Studio. I would suggest to remove any other versions you have already installed and just start with a clean slate to minimize points of failure. That's it, guys. Hope this works for you and helps you out. Bye bye.